The AbanteCart Novator theme customization with AI. This is the default Novator theme. Blue buttons, links, and menu. Now, let's transform this into a fresh green look using AI step by step. First, we head to cursor.com and download the Cursor. Once installed, launch the Cursor app. Cursor is a powerful AI coding tool that helps you write and edit code more efficiently. Next, open the AbanteCart GitHub page, the official source code. Copy the repository URL to your clipboard. Go back to Cursor and click Clone Repo. Paste the AbanteCart URL you just copied. Cursor will now download the entire project and open it as a new workspace. Navigate to /public HTML /extensions /Novator in the project. Now, let's ask the AI to do the heavy lifting. Open the AI chat inside Cursor and type. Update the Novator theme in public HTML extensions, Novator, by replacing all blue and blue-like colors with a range of green tones. AI analyzes the theme files and updates the styles using green color tones, all while respecting the structure of the AbanteCart theme. Once the changes are complete, click Accept All to apply them to your project. Your customized green theme is now ready. Next, go to your hosting panel and open the File Manager. Find your live AbanteCart installation and locate the /extensions Novator directory. Now replace that directory with the modified version from Cursor. Let's go back to the storefront and refresh the page. And just like that, all the blue elements have been replaced with green. If you're happy with your new theme, why not share it? You can package and sell it on the AbanteCart Marketplace. And yes, you can even ask AI to help write the theme's description and generate preview images. That means faster development, faster publishing, and a chance to make real money with your ideas.